What's going on, guys? DJ Zeus here. Today I'm basically just going to show you guys an updated version video of how I connect my CDJs and DJM to Serato. So I'm going to put you guys on my head as a POV view. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Alright. I'm trying to be able to put this out because I usually just have them in the coffins. SX3 on top of that coffin. And then the rest is history. But I'm trying to figure it all out. I'm going to try to record a mix as well. So I'll probably post that later too. But yeah, let's get started on how to connect this. So basically, I already have my RCAs connected to my QSC over here. My QSC is powered. So first of all, we want to start them up. Gotta give them some power. So I use this big old brick here. Plug it to the power. It's got power. So now we want to connect each CDJ and DJM into the power. I try my best. Okay, so this is for the DJM. Forgot to mention 2 CDJ2000NXS and 1 DJM900NXS, and it's all going to Serato DJ with no Serato box or anything of that sort. I'm going to show you guys how I connect it through HID mode. Let's plug this last one in. Make sure we get power on all of them. Alright. Should have power on all 3. Speaker's buzzing, so I think something's come through. Yep. Turn it back off for just a moment while we plug the rest of this in. For Serato, I use just a regular MacBook Pro. I got this here crane stand. I have the stand for maybe about 2 years now. I'm still in love with it. You can put it however you want it, and it works. Usually I have it all plugged in already in the coffin, but for the matter of the video, I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I do it. In this MacBook, it only has 2 USB ports. So it has one there, and it has one there. I use one of the USBs coming from the DJM, and then in order to plug in these CDJs, I have this hub right here, which is powered too, so it doesn't take full power from the MacBook. I just plug it into the power source as well, so it manages to sustain power. Leave that there. We connected it to the power already. It's in there. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the CDJs. First, let's bring on this one. We plug it in back here to this USB or computer symbol right there on the back. I have the wires, trying to make it look clean for the video. I'm going to plug this one in, bring it down through, plug it into the hub. This hub is from Anchor, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ports. So it's more than I need, but it works. And then we're going to plug this last one in to the DJM. This one is not going to go in the hub. We're just going to leave that hanging there, and those two are going to go into the 2 USB ports of the laptop. That's pretty much it. Powered them on. So in order to be able to run this sort of setup without using a Serato box, all these have to be official accessories of Serato DJ. So here, I'm going to show you guys on the website. So this is what I used to run. I used to run SL3, but since this new deal came out, I just stopped using it. I still have it, but I just stopped using it. So here it is, DJM900NXS. It is able to run SeratoDJ Pro and CDJ2000NXS, sorry, are also an official accessory. So basically we just plug this one into this side and plug the CDJs from the hub to this side. Not only do you have to be able to have these as an official accessory or be able to use a Serato, but you also have to have, bring it back up, you also have to have the expansion pack of, where is it, the DVS expansion pack, and it's $100. It is kind of pricey, but I mean, this is the one way that you're going to be able to run these. So in order to connect these to Serato, you just go to link, USB MIDI, push to connect, do it one more time, connect it to the first deck, And then on this side the same, link, push to connect, push it again, connect it to the second one. Mixer's already set. We just have to have these two USBs. As you can see, there's no audio coming from the CDJs to the mixer because it goes straight directly to the computer, and then the computer picks up the mixer and it passes the audio through there. Let's see if it goes. See, and if it turns off, like it just turned off because I didn't press the power button too well, the music keeps going because it's all going through the mixer. But you're able to control, you're still able to control this. But if you turn this off, the audio will still process through here. But yeah, everything works on the CDJ. The tempo, play, pause, cue, the track search, changes the tracks, searching throughout the track, it speeds up. You can use a needle drop. You got your 3 cue points. You can loop. You can go to the jog mode of CDJs. You can use these. The release, start, the touch, break, jog, adjust, everything. Mixer as well, you can use everything on there. So yeah, that's basically it. Much easier than using a Serato box. That's how I connect my CDJs when I'm not using my SX3. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching.